Hello everybody, hope you all are staying safe at your homes. This is Dimple here welcoming you all to my next tutorial on Android Framework components. So in today's tutorial, we will see a very small and short topic of what is the importance of this method on configuration changed in Input Method Manager service. So before explaining what this method will do, I want to show you all how our screen looks when we put our phone in the landscape mode. So when we put our phone in the landscape mode, here we can see our keyboard is extending to the full length of our Android phone. But this is a buggy screenshot. So when there is a bug in on configuration changed method, this is how the keyboard looks. It is not expanded to the entire screen. The size of the keypad remains same when the device is in landscape mode as well as when the device is in portrait mode. So I'll be telling you all where to look for that. So Android Xref is open source Android source code where you can browse through different Android topics, and you can understand how Android framework or Android AOSP source code is built. So here I'm looking for a file called inputmethodservice.java. So I'll be traversing to that path. So if we don't know any particular path, we can just go here and type whichever file we are looking for, and it will take us here. Since I know the path, I'm directly traversing. So input method service.java, this is the file which is responsible for all your input methods in your Android phone. So your input can be in the form of text, or it can be in the form of touch or voice or any other external inputs like joystick, etc. So all such things, and how the keyboard should look, what letter should be displayed when you type, when you click on the keypad, how the cursor should be placed, where it should be placed, how the screen should look when you rotate how the keyboard should be looked when you rotate the screen. All this information is managed by input method service.java. So this is the main method on configuration changed. This method is responsible for handling all the configuration changes when your device is rotated to the landscape mode from portrait mode. So this method, if this method is not called, then we see the issue which I showed you all. The keypad is covering only half of the screen. So here, just to show you all, I had just commented out this method in my source code, and I had built and flash, and I could see the issue. Then later I uncommented and again made the changes, saved this file, built the entire Android source code, and flashed the image on my device, and the issue was fixed. So I just wanted to show y'all the importance of this method on configuration changed method, which is responsible for all the changes which happens when the device is rotated. So whenever you are typing something, when you are in portrait mode and suddenly you rotate, all the cursor should be in proper position. So all that will be taken care by this one. So you all can go through interested files. So in the comment section, it will explain in detail what exactly this function will do. So that's it for today. This was very short and simple tutorial I wanted to tell you all today. So if you all have any suggestions or feedbacks, or if you are interested in any of the topics, please feel free to comment and I'll try to cover it. So thanks everyone for watching. Stay home, stay safe. See y'all in my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.